In the previous session, you learned about shape tools. In this session, we will discuss an important item, the parenting tool. Suppose we have a few shapes here. Let me change the color to blue, and I put the stroke on the none. I draw a rectangle here. When you hold Shift, it becomes a square, but I want a rectangle. Press F2 or click on the gray part of the window. Then I use the shape tool to draw a circle. Now it draws on a separate layer. If you don't do this, it will be drawn on the rectangle layer. Okay? So when you want to draw a shape in separate layers, press F2 or click on the gray part of the window. Then draw a new shape in the composition. It has its layer now, the shape layer 2. I put the circle there. Then I want a copy of it to make a car. Click on the second layer and press Ctrl D. And I duplicate the circle. Suppose this is a car and we want to animate it to move forward. Normally, to move this car, you have to move them separately. It means you have to do the same thing 3 times to move the shapes. But we can do this job much easier by linking them together. To do this, there are 2 ways. Hold Shift and select these 2 layers. If you don't see the parents and link parts, enable this option below. We specify it here in the layer 1. Now when I move the rectangle, the wheels move with it too. So that is what parents and link do. Another way that I suggest, first let me press the Ctrl Z, so the turn back to the none. Select anything you want to attach to this rectangle. Use one of these parent pick options from the selected layers and drag it to the rectangle layer. Now when I move the body, the wheels will also move. We no longer need to move them manually. We can move it all at once. Easy peasy. Now if you want to change the size, they will change together. I will tell you how to change their size in the next sessions. The same thing happens for other changes as well. So this was the parent and link option which you learned. See you in the next session.